KKK, kataas-taas sa kagalang-galangan katipunan ng mga anak ng bayan. The KKK was a secret society founded by Andres Bonifacio in 1892. Its main goal was to gain independence from Spain through a revolution. Members signed their name in blood to show their loyalty to the country. Number 2, Kartilya ng Katipunan. This was a guidebook for the members of the KKK. It was written by Emilio Jacinto. It contained 14 rules and teaching about how to be a good person, how to treat others with respect, and how to love one's country. Number 3, Cavite Mutiny. This was happened in 1872 when Filipino soldiers and workers at a shipyard in Cavite rose up against the Spanish government. They were angry about losing their tax exemptions. Although it was a small revolt, the Spanish used it as an excuse to punish the Philippines who wanted reforms. Number 4, Gomborza. Gomborza stands for the three priests, Gomez, Burgos, and Zamora. They were falsely accused of leading the Cavite Mutiny and were executed by the Spanish. Their death made many Filipinos angry and inspired national heroes like Jose Rizal to fight for justice. Number 5, Tejeros Convention. This was a meeting held in 1897 between two groups of the Katipunan, Magdalo and Magdiwang. The goal was to establish a new revolutionary government. Emilio Aguinaldo was elected president, which led to a conflict with Andres Bonifacio. Number 6, Cry of Pugadlawin or Balintawak. These events mark the start of the Philippines Revolution in 1896. Katipuneros gathered and tuned up their cedulas or tax certificates to show that they no longer recognize Spanish rule. They shouted, "Long live the Philippines," to signal the beginning of the fight for freedom.